Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a car steering wheel cover on your Audi A4 or S4. Let's have a seat at the driver's side, and you can see the steering wheel is not so much pretty in this configuration as shown here. This can fit it by a car steering wheel cover, of course, with, for example, carbon fiber pattern, anti-slip design, and you have to look, there has to be a universal fit which goes from 37 up to 38.5 centimeters. This is a car wheel protector, and it's most often the market is a breathable sports style automotive cover protection for our car, and it looks really nice, as you can see. On this car steering wheel covers we have a universal fit, and it fits in all standard size steering wheels of 15 inches in outer diameter. Okay, so measure first the outer diameter, and then you can buy this anti-slip steering wheel protector to make a better grip for your hands while you're driving. It's much better, and of course it looks much cooler. Yeah, it's a really easy installation. Okay, it requires hassle-free installation. Just place the cover on top of the steering wheel, and then we press and hold the upper parts to the cover and gradually lower it with both hands on either side to tighten it. It is tool-free. It will wrap around your steering wheel which is installed and begin at the upper side and then go to the side, stretch it a little bit, go to the bottom side, and then if you stretch it so much that it fits on the bottom side, you can wrap it around on the right and left side. You should have a look that the look of this steering wheel cover is nice, because if you rotate it on the other side, it looks not so brilliant. Okay, but you can see it is in a 10-second installation process, and then you have nice grip, nice feeling while you're driving, and of course it's a safety thing. And it looked really cool, and it protects your installed steering wheel as well. To remove it, it's easy too. You have to unwrap it and job's done. So you can, if you change the car, you can take this car steering wheel cover with you easily, okay? And then you're back on the road with a nice car steering wheel cover. Oh yeah, and your Audi A4 looks, or S4 looks so brilliant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.